Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Today I'm going to be starting another series on The Ordinary products because I do use quite a few The Ordinary products and I think I've tried just about all of them. So I'm going to be starting that again. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. And I post a video every Monday and Thursday. And most of my skincare videos are only 5 minutes long. And if you like my video today, give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, let's get started. Um, the ordinary product that I like to talk about today is this one here. It's called the eye contour serum. And it's called the Caffeine Solution 5% and EGCG. So I have used this product for quite a number of years now. What I do is I alternate between products. I'll use this when it's finished. I'll go to my Dr. Dennis Gross. And when that is finished, I might try a different eye serum or eye cream. And I'll go back to this. So I always have one of these in my fridge. I keep a lot of my serums in my fridge. And this one is no exception. So this one here, caffeine and EGCG. What does it do? Caffeine is comes from coffee. It's well known as a vascular constrictor. What it does is when it's applied into your skin, it absorbs very quickly. Apparently caffeine gets absorbed very quickly straight into your dermis and it constricts your blood vessels. So for someone like me who's got some blue veins, like I've got some blue veins at the top here, it constricts the veins and therefore it's not appearing at the top of your skin and therefore makes your skin less saggy and less wrinkly. And so when it constricts, it stops your skin from being puffy. So some people wake up with puffy eyes. So it's got 5% caffeine and it's got EGCG. EGCG is a compound, an ingredient that is found in green tea. And it is a super antioxidant. EGCG helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, just like green tea, because it comes from green tea. It just stops your skin from oxidizing, which means getting more wrinkles and fine lines and getting dark spots. So here it is. So the texture is quite oily. I'll use the word oily. I'm going to do a little demonstration how I apply this product onto my eye, because if you're not careful, you can end up dribbling it all over your eyes. So I'm just going to do a little demo. Quite oily texture, so you just need one drop. Really, that's all you need. Okay, so you've got that one drop. In the past, I put too much and then it's dribbling into my eye. So just be careful with that. So this is how I apply it. One drop, and I just use my finger here. One finger here. Just our finger has got warmth. Just melt it down a little bit. There's warmth in our fingers and hands. So see, I've got this into nice little soft liquidy texture. And now I'm just going to dab it. Start with my lower eyelid. I'm just going to, you can see on the mirror the wetness, okay? So you know you got it on. And I get a little bit. Dab into my lower eyelid, this side. I'm just going to get a bit more. See, you can see from the reflection I still got a bit. And on my upper eyelid, I go all over my eyes. Like I always say, anywhere that has skin is prone to dryness, prone to environmental aggressors. So anywhere that has skin, you put on the serum and the moisturizer. Yeah, that's all you need. So that's how you apply it. In the past, I think I put 2 drops or something like that onto the palm of my hand. Or in the past, I just drop it into my fingers and I start applying. It's just dribbling everywhere. See, I could feel that it's tacky. And that's all you need. What I really like about this product is it does firm my eyes. It does keep my eyes lifted. For this product here, it keeps my eyelids lifted, firms up the skin here, and you don't need a lot. And guess how much this is? You can purchase this from the Farmers Department store here in New Zealand, and for $14.95 for 30 mils, and it lasts you forever. It will last you for about 6 months because you only need such a tiny drop. So thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. If you like my video today, give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.